Inverting the op-amp. An inverting amplifier is a type of amplifier whose output waveform is in the opposite phase of the input waveform. The input waveform will be the magnitude of the amplifier with the AV factor, amplifier voltage gain, and its phase will be reversed. In this configuration, the output is fed back to the negative input through a resistor, R2. The input signal is applied to this inverting pin through a resistor, R1. Note that the positive pin is connected to ground. This is evident in the special case where R1 and R2 are equal. This configuration allows for the production of a signal that is complementary to the input, as the output is exactly the opposite of the input signal. Due to the negative sign, the output and input signals are out of phase. If both signals must be in phase, a non-inverting amplifier is used.